So, are you someone who lately has been too much confused because of the fact that they are not able to control those emotions, those thoughts that keep on processing, coming back again and again? Is it that you're not able to control how you think, how you feel, and how do you project those emotions out there? Then it might be the case scenario, my friend, jahan pe you're becoming an overthinker. You're becoming a person who's unnecessarily constantly thinking about things or thinking about things for too long than required. And definitely, I know you need to come out of that point very, very soon than later, right? Hi, this is me, Anusha Kaul, and welcome back to yet another video on my channel, A Caring Talk. So, overthinking is that point in time where a certain piece of news or something related to someone, you keep on thinking about it too long or either too much. This can be because of a lot of reasons. As I said, that thing can be related to any important situation in your life or any person in your life, or even sometimes because you're so much addicted to the concept of thinking about thinking, you might actually end up thinking about random things and go in your own imaginary world where you've thought about things that are far end stretch and exactly उतना होता नहीं है जितना हम उसे बना देते हैं बड़ा, right? There could be n number of reasons why you might be turning into an overthinker, but my topic today is not on how you turn an overthinker or how you go about it. It is about more of understanding how to come out of it. Right? So I'm going to first of all talk about a few case scenarios wherein if overthinking enters your life, you could maybe give it a different direction so that it does not persist that long. Right? So first things first, let's start taking that habit inside where we start looking for positive possibilities or positive solutions. Understanding, instead of focusing on what the problem is and then constantly thinking about the problem, how about we change the course and start thinking about how to pick out those words in the problem so that we can go about the solution. सो सोल्यूशन निकालने के बारे में जब आप सोचने लगते हो ना, इट्स नॉट अबाउट आप कैसे निकालो सोल्यूशन, आपके तरीके क्या हो, दैट्स वन थिंग, बट जस्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट पॉइंट कि यार यहाँ से मैं डिफोकस होके ना बार बार सिर्फ उसी चीज़ के बारे में सोचता रहता हूँ या रहती हूँ, उससे बेटर मैं प्रॉब्लम को छोड़ के सोल्यूशन पे फोकस करूँ. जब आप सोल्यूशन पे फोकस करते हो ना, रास्ते सोल्यूशन निकालने के अपने आप आ जाते हैं. तो प्रॉब्लम को लेके डर नहीं लगा रहता कि यार प्रॉब्लम है, आई एम नॉट एबल टू कम आउट ऑफ इट, आई एम नॉट एबल टू कम आउट ऑफ इट, तो वो डर हट जाता है क्योंकि फिर फोकस सोल्यूशन पे चला जाता है. Right? Second important thing is you need to start letting go of those past experiences or how people might have mistreated you in the past. Anything that is basically negative about your past, you need to let go of it. क्या होता है ना, if we somewhere down the lane incidentally or not get stuck up in a similar situation, a situation where you might have been in your past and that might have not ended that well, that scenario might have stuck around inside your brain. So if you somewhere down the lane encounter a similar case scenario in your life again, you'll start overthinking. In what terms? You'll start overthinking about those past experiences. And why is that past experiences wala overthinking happening? Because you have not let go of your past. You've not specifically, I'll go more specific, you've not let go of the bad experiences in past. So when you do not do that, when you don't let go of those bad experiences in past, they'll stick around. And any and every time you get a chance, your brain gets the chance, these two things might be correlated, definitely that's why this is happening, you'll go down that memory lane, you'll go down that spiral, you'll keep on thinking about all those negativities which might have come back then, and then that will again give more quality time to the overthinking part to pertain inside your brain, and that's going to just blow it up. Honestly, it's going to blow it up. So you need to let go of those things. Chane do, it doesn't matter. If it's in the past, it's a cancelled check. That's it. Always remember that. And my third important point that I want to talk to you about is you need to start questioning yourself for real and genuinely substance questions. The point is कि हम ना बेफिजूल की बातों को लेके अपने आप को क्वेश्चन करते हैं. छोटी सी छोटी चीज which might not be that much important. I'm not saying that little things in life are not important, they are. But things which at a broader scale, in terms of your personal growth, in terms of people who are important to you, around you, उनसे related ना हो, तो उन चीज़ों के बारे में बार बार सोच के क्या फ़ायदा. These are some duties that you might want to do, these are some responsibilities that you might have taken, but you cannot let them defocus you from your main purpose and larger perspectives and things in life. Because फिर इन सब चीज़ों में ही टाइम अगर आप निकाल देंगे तो जो चीज़ें अहमियत की है उन पे कैसे सोचेंगे. Correct? So you need to start understanding that you need to question yourself for the right reasons, for reasons that are important and are big enough, not for small reasons which otherwise may not, exist that much in life. So just start prioritizing things in life, start considering which things are important and which things need to let go of. The second point about leaving the past, and just remember that okay, you might be tending to become an overthinker, but there are 1,100 ways to come out of it. Just remember 2 to 3 points. Let go of unnecessarily garbage and things that are not important in life, and you'll be back on track in no time. Trust me. And that's all for today's video. I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. And until then, keep smiling, stay positive. Cheers out to you all, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click that post bell notification on so that you guys are the first ones to know whenever I upload a new video.